Function printing correct output and none. I have defined this function that takes a word and a string of required letters and that returns true if the word uses all the required letters at least once. When I run this, it gives me the correct output, but I do not understand why it also outputs none. Here is my code. Output. Comments on where I have gone wrong will be appreciated.
Your program prints Boolean, which is false, so you know where that comes from. If a function doesn't return anything explicitly, it automatically returns none, and when you use, you're asking it to print what uses _all returns, which is none. Hence, BTW, I think your function could be more concisely written as could make it more efficient, but that should be good enough for government work. The all function is really handy, see also any.
Because uses _all doesn't have a return statement. If you return a value from the function, it will be printed instead of none, unless of course you return none smile.
You print the result of the function, but the function doesn't return anything, none. If you want the result to be false false, add return boolean in the function. Alternatively, if a single false is enough, you could change print uses _all Facebook to just uses _all Facebook.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.